everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the Jetbase series, a mix of Jetpack Compose and Firebase. In the previous video, we learned how to display an image from Firebase Cloud Storage. And now, in this video, we will learn how to update the image in Firebase Cloud Storage. So open the My Pinterest app project. In the update case, we simply replace the current image with a new one. When the user clicks on the current image, the gallery opens up. From there, he can choose a new image and replace it with the current image. And that's what an update image is. Hence, directly go to Display Image screen. This is where we will update the image. So we start by declaring a mutable state variable, current image, using remember and mutable state of. This variable holds the currently selected image of type image data, that is nullable. The reason we need current image is to track which image is being modified or replaced by the user. Next, we define a gallery launcher using remember launcher for activity result, which allows us to launch an external activity, in this case, the photo gallery. Then using the activity result contracts dot start activity for result, it is used to get results from an activity, such as selecting an image. From this result, we attempt to retrieve the URI of the selected image using result.data ? Data. If the URI is not null and current image is also not null, which indicates that the user has selected an image and there is already an image present that they intend to replace. Inside the if block, we first delete the currently displayed image using imageViewModel.delete image, current image, double exclamation marks. The double exclamation marks are used to declare that the current image is not null. Now, as we'll be writing the code to delete the image in the next video, hence I'll temporarily add the delete image function in imageViewModel. I'll explain this function in detail in the next video. But for now, understand that this function deletes the image from the database. Okay? So after deleting the old image, we proceed to upload the newly selected image to Firebase by calling imageViewModel.uploadImage URI. Finally, we reset current image to null, which cleans up the previous state. Then, once the logic is ready, let's apply it to the clickable. Also, remember in the last video we had a padding issue. Let's fix that also by creating a box inside the items image list. A box with padding 4 dp and a clickable. This box clickable makes the image clickable. Hence, put async image inside the box body. When the user taps on the image, the first thing that happens inside it is that the current image is set to the image item. This step records which image the user wants to replace. It's important because this image will later be deleted before a new one is uploaded. After that, we create an intent using intent.actionpick.mediastore.images.media .external content URI. This intent opens the phone image gallery, allowing the user to pick a new image. Finally, we call gallery launcher.launch gallery intent to launch the image picker activity and wait for the result. That result is handled in the gallery launcher block as I described earlier, where the selected image will be uploaded and the current one deleted. And that's it. Our update CRUD functionality is done. Now let's run the app and check. We have two images present in the UI as well as in the database. So I want to update this image with a new one. Hence I'll click on it. Look, the gallery opens up. I'll choose a different image and see our old image is replaced by the new image in the UI. You can refresh the database to see the updated image. And there you go. In the next video, we will learn how to delete the image from the database. Okay? So yeah, that's it for the video. If you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.